Welcome to Bonfire by Design. Today we'll take you through the unboxing and assembly process of one of our conventional or customizable fire rings. Whether you've chosen to customize the fire ring or one of our pre-designed fire rings, the assembly process is the same. So let's get started. Our fire ring has just arrived, ready to transform your outdoor space. Let's open the box and reveal your fire ring within. Typically, you will need either scissors or a box cutter for this step. It's simple inside, just the fire ring, the bolts, and the instructions. And here it is, the heart of your outdoor gatherings, the centerpiece of your backyard oasis, your fire ring. The panels are all bolted together to prevent damage during shipping. These will need to be removed and used again to assemble the ring. Let's carefully remove the fire ring from its packaging for the next steps of inspection and assembly. Take a moment to examine the fire ring for any damage during shipping. If you notice any issue, be sure to reach out to our customer support right away. Also, keep the box and any packing material, as you will need it if it needs to be returned to us. You'll find clear and detailed instructions inside the box, accompanied by the essential bolts. They are typically taped to the bottom of the box. Depending on the size and height of the fire ring will depend on how many bolts are in the bag. Let's ensure that we have all the necessary tools for the assembly process. Alongside the provided bolts, grab two 7/16 wrenches or a crescent wrench set for securely fastening the panels together. You will first need to remove the 4 shipping bolts that will be used again in the assembly step first before proceeding. Although this video doesn't cover painting instructions, we offer a separate resource, a painting instruction video, for those who wish to personalize their fire ring further. The fire ring will gain surface rust if you do not paint it. Remember, painting should be done before assembly, before placing it outdoors, and before first use for optimal results. The link to that video can be found in the description below. All right, it's time to bring that fire ring to life. Begin by setting each panel in a circular formation, ensuring the correct order and orientation. Don't be afraid at this point if the panels don't make a perfect circle. Once the bolts are in place, it will make a fire ring circle. Take a moment to align the holes between the panels. Take the bolt with 1 washer, the 2 panels, and a washer and the nut on the inside of the fire ring circle to fasten each panel together. Repeat for each hole until your fire ring is complete, creating a captivating focal point for your outdoor space. Now place that fire ring in that special spot and enjoy. For more tips, tricks, and ideas, visit our website at bonfirebydesign.com. And until next time, happy gatherings and cozy nights around the fire.